All right, so you're ready to jailbreak your Amazon Fire Stick in as little as 10 seconds. All you need to do is slide into the settings, come down here, click on My Fire TV, click on About, and click your center button several times. Keep clicking until you see a pop-up that says that you are now a developer. Congratulations, guys, your Fire Stick is now jailbroken. Yeah, I know, it's a little anticlimactic for me too. But if you stick with me for a few more minutes, I'm going to show you how you can take your newly jailbroken Fire Stick and download applications not found in the Amazon App Store. You know, those apps that we love to use that give us all of our movies, TV shows, sports, live TV, and pay-per-view for free? That's right. If you want to know how you can install those applications on your Fire Stick in just a few minutes, we'll just sit right there because I'm going to show you how to do all of it right now. All right, guys, so now that your Fire Stick is officially jailbroken, let me show you how to install those amazing applications I was just talking about. The first thing that we need to do is go into the Amazon App Store and download just one app. The easiest way to do this is simply slide left on your remote until you're in that magnifying glass. Push down, then click your center button and a keypad will pop up, allowing you to type out whichever application it is that you're looking for. Today, we're looking for an application called Downloader. I'll throw it on the screen as I start to spell it. Now, guys, I've only entered the first letter. There's no need to type out the whole word. All you need to do is simply slide down, highlight right here where it says Downloader, and click your center button. It's then going to take you to this bright orange app. Let's go ahead and click our center button one more time. Now it's going to give us the ability to download this on our device. All you need to do is click the center button and the download process begins automatically. All right, so now that the download and the installation are both finished, I don't want to open it just yet. Let's go ahead and click the home button on our remote, because the next thing that we need to do is go into the settings of our device. Simply slide all the way to the end into the settings and a menu will pop up. Again, we're going to come down here to My Fire TV and we're going to click on it. And guys, if you went through the jailbreak process in the beginning of the video, you will now have something called developer options available. Let's go ahead and open that up. Now you can turn ADB debugging on and then come down here and click on apps from unknown sources. And you see Downloader is currently turned off. All you need to do is click your center button and just like that, you have turned Downloader on. All right. Let's go ahead and click the home button on our remote, because the next thing that we need to do is go and find that brand new Downloader application so that we can open it. The easiest way to find all of your applications is simply slide over to that icon and click on it. This will bring up every application on your device. And the last application that you've downloaded always goes to the very bottom of this list. So we simply slide down to the bottom and there is the brand new app. Let's go ahead and open this up together. When you open this app, you will have a little pop-up. Just click your center button and that will disappear. All right, so welcome to the Downloader app. This app allows you to go along the internet to almost any website it is that you would like to visit. All you need to do is click your center button 2 times, once and twice. It'll bring up a keypad allowing you to type out whichever web address it is that you would like to visit. Today, I want to take us to one website in particular. I'm going to throw it on the screen as I spell it. All right, so now that you have that entered correctly, just click right there where it says go. Now that you see this little red circle on my screen, if I push up and down and left and right, I get to move that circle. All you need to do is slide down just a little bit until you see Download APK Android. Put the red circle anywhere on that box and click the center button. The download process will begin automatically. As soon as the download is finished, it's going to ask for you to go through the installation process. Just slide over, click Install, give your system just a second. And when you see this screen, I want to make sure that you hit the word Done. that's going to take you right back to this screen. This here is just the install file. You don't need this taking up space on your device. So we're simply going to slide over and click delete, slide over and click delete, and that gets rid of that file that we no longer need. All right, well, that's all that we need from the downloader app. So let's go ahead and click the home button on our remote. The next thing that we need to do is, again, change a setting. So all you need to do is slide all the way to the right to this menu pops up, come down here, click on My Fire TV, and it's probably going to put you right back here. Just click your back button, click on Install Unknown Apps, and now you'll see Unlinked has appeared on this list. Click your center button, and you'll turn it on. Now, guys, it's very important that both of these are turned on for this process to work. So just double check and make sure that both are turned on. All right, so now let's go ahead and click the home button on our remote. The next thing we need to do is go and find that brand new Unlinked app that we just installed. And again, the easiest way to do that is simply click on that icon, which brings up all of your apps. And the newest app always goes to the very bottom, as you can see right there. All right, let's go ahead and open that up. And it's going to say add a new library. Click your center button. Click your center button one more time, and a keypad will pop up allowing you to type out whichever library it is that you would like to visit. Now, guys, I have spent a lot of time and effort and energy putting together my very own app store, where I have only the very best, most up-to-date applications available for my viewers. And all I ask for all of my hard work of putting together the app store, this video, and everything else is that you're kind enough just to hit that subscribe button. That's all I'm asking. That way it tells me thank you for all of the hard work that I've put into all of this to give it away absolutely free for my viewers. All right, guys, so now that you are a subscriber, just enter this code right here. All right, so now that you have that entered correctly, just click right here where it says next. All right, guys, so when you see this screen, just click your center button. And if you click your center button just 2 more times, you'll break my store into different categories. Then you can slide through those categories and find the applications that you're looking for. I want to show you how all of this works. All you need to do is simply move through the store, select the application that it is that you would like to download, highlight that app, and click your center button. Then when this appears, click download. Give your system just a few seconds for the download process to start. You'll see the percentage moving across your screen. And when it gets to 100%, it's going to ask for you to go through the installation process. So when the download process finishes, you'll see this pop up. Just click Install App. Slide over, click Install. Give your system just a few seconds, and when the installation is complete, it's going to bump you right back into my store so that then you can continue to download more applications. All right, let's do that one more time. Click your center button, click Download, wait for it to get to 100%. Then this pop-up will appear. Click Install App. Slide over, click Install. And again, just give it a few seconds for the installation to finish up, and it'll pop you right back into the store. All right, I'm just going to download one more application for you guys. We're going to go over here. We're going to click it, click Download. And when the download's finished, we click Install App. We slide over and click Install. And guys, just like that, we have installed 3 amazing applications from my store. You're already here. Please go through and check out all of the different apps, as each of them offers something different. All right, so now that you've downloaded everything it is that you would like from my store, let's hit the home button. Because the next thing I want to do is show you where all of those brand new apps ended up on your device. All you need to do is simply slide over to that icon and click it. It'll bring up all of your apps, and just like before, all of the brand new apps go to the very bottom of your screen. So what I want you to do is highlight any of those amazing applications that you might have downloaded. Then click those 3 dashes on your remote right next to the home button. When you do, this menu will appear. Now you can hit move or you can hit move to front. Let's go ahead and click move to front. And it brought the application from the very bottom to the very top. Let's do that just a couple more times. I want to move this app, so I'm going to hit the 3 dashes and I'm going to click move to front. Then what I'm going to do is click the 3 dashes and move to front, and one more time. 3 dashes, move to front. Now let me show you what putting the applications at the top of this list did for you. Go ahead and click the home button on your remote. Right here from the home screen, where you start off every single time, are the applications right here on this bar. That gives you easy access anytime that you want to get back to my store so that you can try out a brand new app or get an update to an existing app. Just click right here back into my store. Right here is the IPVanish VPN. It is by far my #1 recommended application to keep you 100% safe and secure while enjoying all of this other entertainment absolutely free. Let's go ahead and open up our VPN. Now right here, it will ask you for a username and password. If for any reason you don't already have a username and password with IPVanish, don't worry, I'm going to make it super easy. All you need to do is click on this link right here, or check out the description of this video or the comment section. I'm going to leave a link below the video or this one. Either way, it's going to take you to the IPVanish website. From there, you can pick out whichever plan works best for you. Once you pick out your plan, they'll send you an email with your very own username and password to enter. I'm going to enter mine, and I'll meet you in just a second. All right, so you might get this little pop-up on the bottom of your screen. Just click down and click OK. All right, guys, so welcome to the IPVanish VPN. Again, this is my #1 recommended application when it comes to keeping you 100% safe and secure while enjoying all of those other applications. Now, right here, before we hit the word connect, I want to take you down to the bottom of the screen. Simply click on where it says locations. This will give you the ability to connect anywhere around the world that you would like to choose. So if you're in England and you want to watch American television, you simply click on the American server and you'll have access to everything I have access to here in America. All right, so what you can do is you can scroll down and pick whichever country, or you can just come up to the top and pick optimal location and let IPVanish pick it for you. That's what I personally do. I just click connect, I slide over and click connect. And then as soon as you see the country turn green, you know that you are connected. And right here, it has a timer that tells you how long you have been connected. All you need to do is simply click on the home button and the app will continue to run in the background, keeping you connected and protected while you go and open up all of those other applications. Guys, thank you so much for spending your time with me today while I taught you how to jailbreak your Amazon Fire Stick and download amazing third-party applications not found in the Amazon App Store. If you have not done so already, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. You can also ring the notification bell so that you never miss another video. And guys, I would love to hear down in the comment section below, where are you watching? I get many comments from people around the world. I just got comments a couple days ago, people from Ireland, people from Trinidad. I love seeing that this video will reach people around the globe. So please comment down below with where you're watching from. I love to read and answer all of my comments. All right, guys. Well, thanks again for spending your time with me, and I look forward to seeing you again real soon in the next video.